morning, students. In the previous session we have completed till question number 4. We are on practice set 17. Now today we will start with question number 5. This is question number 5. Quadrilateral PTNM is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. Now the rectangle is given. You will write down the names of pairs of supplementary angles. First, we will revise the definition of supplementary angles. Yes, what is the definition for supplementary angles? If the sum of the measures of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. So here, this is rectangle PTNM. You will write down the pairs of supplementary angles. Okay, now we'll write down the pairs of supplementary angles. In solution, as you can see here, each angle of a rectangle is of measure 90 degree. As you can see, measure of angle P, measure of angle T, measure of angle N, and measure of angle M. All the four angles are of 90 degree. Yes, in the rectangle each angle is of 90 degree. The sum of the measures of the supplementary angles is 180 degree. Yes, what is the definition? The sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree. Then they are supplementary. Now we'll write down the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. So in the answer, as you can see here, this is the answer. The pairs of supplementary angles. Now we'll write down the pairs of supplementary angles. Okay, the first one, as you can see here, first one, angle P and angle T. These angle P and T. Yes, what is the measure of P? That is 90 degree. What is the measure of T? 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree, that is 180 degree. So angle P and angle T are supplementary angle, are the pairs of supplementary angle, as measure of angle P plus measure of angle T is equal to 180 degree. So they are supplementary angles. Okay, first one we are written. Now we will write down the second pair, angle T and angle N. See here, this is angle T and this is angle N. What is the measure of angle T? That is 90 degree. What is the measure of angle N? That is also 90 degree. So measure of angle T and measure of angle N, T plus N, that is 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Correct. So measure of angle T and measure of angle N, they are supplementary angles. This is the second pair of supplementary angles. Now we'll write down the third pair. Third one, as you can see here, angle N and angle M. So this angle N and angle M is a pair of supplementary angle. Why? Because measure of angle N is equal to 90 degree and measure of angle M is equal to 90 degree. So 90 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. So measure of angle N and measure of angle M are the pairs of supplementary angles. And the next one, that is fourth one, as you can see here, angle M and angle P. This is angle M and this is angle P. Yes, what is the measure of angle M? 90 degree. And what is the measure of angle P? 90 degree. So measure of angle P plus measure of angle M is equal to 180 degree. Means these two are the angles which makes supplementary pair. Yes, because their sum is equal to 180 degrees. So this is the fourth pair, angle M and angle P. They are supplementary angles. Now there are more two angles, angle P and angle N. They are opposite angles and the sum of their measure is equal to 180 degree. Because in rectangle each angle is of 90 degree. So angle P is equal to 90 degree and angle N is equal to 90 degree. So measure of angle P plus measure of angle N is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So they are supplementary angles. Now the next one, the last pair, that is angle T and angle M. So what is the measure of angle T? 90 degree, correct. And what is the measure of angle M? That is 90 degrees. So measure of angle T and measure of angle M is equal to 90 plus 90, that is equal to 180 degrees. So this is the pair of supplementary angles. So now we have written the pairs of supplementary angles. There are 6 pairs of supplementary angles. Yes, in the rectangle each angle is of 90 degree and the sum of the measure of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. Then we will write down the pairs of supplementary angles. First one is angle P and angle T. Why? Because the measure of angle P is 90 degree and the measure of angle T is equal to 90 degrees. So angle P and angle T makes a pair of supplementary angles. Then the second one is, we have started from this angle P, angle T. Now the second one is angle T and angle N. The third one is angle N and angle M. And the fourth one is angle M and angle P. The fifth one is opposite we have written, that is P and N. And the last one is T and M, or you can write down M and T. So these are the 6 pairs of supplementary angles. I hope you are clear with this answer. Okay, one more time we'll see. Quadrilateral P, T and M is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. The rectangle is given, that is P, T and M. You will write down the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. So in the solution, first you will write down each angle of a rectangle is of 90 degree. The sum of the measures of the supplementary angle is 180 degree. As the sum of the measures of supplementary angle is 180 degree, then we'll write down the pairs of supplementary angles. There are 6 pairs. First one, angle P and angle T. Second one, angle T and angle N. Third one, start with the next sum, sixth one, question number 6. Yes, this is question number 6. If measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree, what is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? So the measure of angle A is given, that is 70 degree. You will find out the measure of supplement of the complement of angle A. So for this, first we will find out the complement of angle A. Okay, so in the solution, first we find the complement of angle A. See, read the question again. What is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? So first we will find out the complement of angle A, then you will find out the supplement of that angle which you will get. So in the solution, as you can see here, in the solution first we find the complement of angle A. Yes, measure of angle A is given, that is 70 degree. Let the measure of the complementary angle of 70 degree be x, that we will consider. Okay, so one angle is given, that is 70 degree. You will find out complementary angle of 70 degree, so that we will consider it as x. Then 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because they are complementary. We will find out the complementary angle. So 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree, as the sum of the complementary angle is equal to 90. So 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree. Then x is equal to this plus 70. When it will go on right hand side, it becomes minus 70. So as you can see here, x is equal to 90 minus 70. This plus 70, when it will go on right hand side, it becomes minus 70. So x is equal to 90 minus 70. So therefore x is equal to 90 minus 70 is equal to, correct, 20. So x is equal to 20. Now here we get the value of complementary angle of A, that is x is equal to 20 degree. Okay, I hope you are clear till here. Yes, first we will find out the complement of angle A. Measure of angle A is given 70 degree. What is the complementary of 70 degree? That is 70 plus x is equal to 90. Okay, so x is equal to 20 degree. So the measure of the complementary angle is 20 degree. as if we'll add these two measures, 70 plus 20. Yes, measure of angle A is 70 and x, that is 20. So 70 plus 20 is equal to 90 degrees. So these two are complementary angles. This is the pair of complementary angles. Now the measure of the complementary angle is 20 degree. Okay. Now we have to find the supplement angle of 20 degree. Why? Because in the question it is given we need to find out the measure of supplement of the complement of A. So first we will find out complement of A and then we will find out supplement of that complement angle. Okay. So complementary angle is 20 degree. Then we will find out supplement of 20 degree. I hope you are clear with this. So now we have to find out supplementary angle of 20 degree. Okay. So let the measure of supplementary angle of 20 degree be y, that we will consider it as y degree. So in the next step, now we have to find the supplementary angle of 20 degree. Let the measure of supplementary angle of 20 degree be y degree, that we are considered. Okay. So then 20 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because supplementary angle it measures 180 degree. So 20 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because we need to find out supplementary angle of 20 degree. So 20 plus y is equal to 180. Now this plus 20 it will go on right hand side. So it becomes minus 20. Then what you will get? Y is equal to 180 minus 20. So 180 minus 20 is correct 160. Therefore y is equal to 160 degree. So the measure of the supplementary angle is 160 degree. And the final answer is the measure of the required angle is 160 degree. I hope you are clear with the answer. Okay, once again we will see. Measure of angle A is given, that is 70 degree. What is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A? Okay, don't get confused. Read the question. We need to find out the supplement of the complement of angle A. So for this, first we will find out the complement of angle A. Measure of angle A is given, that is 70 degree. Then we will find out the complementary angle of 70 degree, that we will consider it as x. It is given here. Okay, let the measure of the complementary angle of 70 degree is x. So 70 plus x is equal to 90 degree, as they are complementary. Therefore x is equal to 90 minus 70. This plus 70 it will go on right hand side, so it becomes minus 70. Therefore as you can see here, the next step, therefore x is equal to 90 minus 70. So 90 minus 70 is equal to 20. Now x is equal to 20. So the measure of the complementary angle is 20 degree. So what is the measure of the complementary angle of 70 degree? That is 20 degree. Yes, as we get the angle, complementary angle, that is 20 degree. Now we will find out supplementary angle of 20 degree, because in the question it is given we need to find out supplementary of the complement of angle A. So now we got complement of angle A, that is 20 degree. Now we will find out supplementary of this 20 degree. Okay. So now we have to find the supplementary angle of 20 degree. Now we will consider it as another letter. Already here we took x. Now we will take it as y. So let the measure of the supplementary angle of 20 degree be y, that we will consider. So as here, then 20 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now 20 plus y is equal to 180 degree, as they are supplementary. So y is equal to this plus 20, it will go on right hand side, so it becomes minus 20. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus 20. So therefore y is equal to 160. 180 minus 20 is 160. So the measure of the supplementary angle is 160 degree, and this is the final answer. The measure of the required angle is 160 degree. I hope you are clear with this sum. Yes, the measure of A is given, the measure of angle A is given. We need to find out first complementary of A, that is measure of angle A is given 70 degrees. So complementary of 70 degrees 20 degree. Then you will find out supplementary angle of 20 degree, that is 160 degree, as 160 plus 20 is equal to 180 degree. I hope you are clear with this sum. Now we'll move to the next sum. Now question number 7. Angle A and angle B are supplements of each other. If measure of angle B is equal to x plus 20 degree, then find measure of angle A. Okay, angle A and angle B are supplementary angle, and measure of angle B is given, that is x plus 20 degree, as you can see here in the question. Then find the angle A. So in the solution, let the measure of angle A is equal to y degree. We will consider it as y degree. Then the sum of the measure of supplementary angles is 180 degree, that you know. The sum of the measure of supplementary angle is equal to 180 degree. So x plus 20 plus y is equal to 180 degree. X, that is, what is the measure of angle A, that we are consider it as y degree, so that we will write down here. And what is the measure of angle B, that is x plus 20. So measure of angle A plus measure of angle B is equal to 180 degree, means x plus 20 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Yes, as you can see here, x plus 20 is measure of angle B and y is measure of angle A, that we are consider here. Okay, so x plus 20 plus y is equal to 180, as the sum of measure of angle A and measure of angle B is equal to 180. So x plus 20 plus y is equal to 180. Now y is equal, as you can see here in the next step, y is equal to 180 minus x minus 20. This plus x and plus 20, it will go on right hand side, so it becomes minus. Y we will write it on LHS, that is left hand side, and this plus x and plus 20 will write it on right hand side, so it becomes minus. So in the second step, as you can see here, y is equal to 180 minus x minus 20. Now 180 minus 20 is 160, correct, and minus x we will write down as it is. So what is the answer? Y is equal to 160 minus x. So measure of angle A is equal to 160 minus x degree. So this is the measure of angle A. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this. Measure of angle A and B are supplementary angles, and the measure of angle B is given, that is x plus 20. So you will find out measure of angle A. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. So angle A is given, that is y, and angle B is given, that is x plus 20. So x plus 20 plus y is equal to 180. Then y we will write down on left hand side as it is, and plus x and plus 20 will write down on RHS, that is right hand side. So it becomes minus. So 180 minus x minus 20. 180 minus 20 is 160. So y is equal to 160 minus x. So this is measure of angle A. So what is the measure of angle A? Measure of angle A is equal to 160 minus x degree. Okay, I hope you are clear with this. So today we have completed question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7. And here we have completed practice set 17. In the next session we will start with practice set 18. Thank you so much.